Students, as you know, we have completed our chapter 14, Janpadas and Mahajanpadas. Now, let's move to assessment zone. First of all, we will discuss multiple choice questions. First question is, in the Vedic period, the society was divided into dash varnas. A 1, B 2, C 3, D 4. And right answer is 4. In the Vedic period, the society was divided into 4 varnas. Second, Northern India was divided into dash Mahajanpadas. A 11, B 16, C 12, D 13. And correct answer is 16. Northern India was divided into 16 Mahajanpadas. Third, in the monarchies, what was the chief priest called? A. Purohit, B. Raja, C. Senani, D. Sangrahitri. And correct answer is Purohita. In the monarchies, Purohita was the chief priest. 4. Which among the following was a republic? A. Videha, B. Vatsa, C. Magad, D. Mallas. And right answer is Mallas. Fifth, on the basis of the type of government, the Janpadas and Mahajanpadas can be divided into two types, republic and dash. A. Anarchy, B. Monarchy, C. Democracy, D. Dictatorship. And correct answer is monarchy. On the basis of type of government, the Janpadas and Mahajanpadas can be divided into two types, republic and monarchy. Let's move to fill in the blanks. First statement is, the leader of a Jana was known as dash. The leader of a Jana was known as Janapadin. Second statement, a monarchy is a kingdom ruled by a dash. Monarchy is a kingdom ruled by a king. Third statement, the 4 divisions or ashrams during the Vedic age were dash, dash, dash and dash. And correct answer is Brahmacharya, Gristha, Vanprastha and Sannyas. Fourth statement is, Magdha had 2 great natural resources, dash and dash. Magdha had 2 great natural resources, that are rivers and forest. There were 2 rivers, Ganga and Son. Statement 5. Dash, dash and dash were 3 important rulers of Magdha. Bimbisara, Ajatashatru, Mahapadmananda were 3 important rulers of Magdha. Next part of exercise is, mark the statements as true or false. First statement is, Janapadas were very large kingdom. This statement is false, as Janapadas were not very large. Mahajanapadas were large. Second statement, the republics were less developed than the monarchies. Yes, this statement is correct. The republics were less developed than the monarchies. Third statement, Ajatashatru was the father of Bimbisara. This statement is false, as Bimbisara was the father of Ajatashatru. Fourth statement, Magdha had 2 important natural resources. Yes, this statement is correct. Magda had two important natural resources that were river Ganga and Son and forests. Fifth statement, Republic was ruled by a council. This statement is also correct as republics were ruled by a council whereas monarchies were ruled by the king. That's all. Have a nice day.